The Toyota post-game report has begun. Thank you all for coming. What a phenomenal game. Let's begin with Captain Callum Crawford. Cal, I can't imagine a more important win for this team.
Yeah, that's pretty much, season. If we keep losing, we're going to give up on our season, and I think that's the first step forward to what we need to do to take this into playoffs. Goaltending and defense. We only scored those goals because of the energy the defense gave us. It makes our job really, really easy when, we can rely on them, and we're not forced to feel like we need to score right away. So, that's a defensive victory completely, 100%.
Our offense came out and did their job, and we just haven't been able to find that balance where both offense and defense have been going, and I think we found that tonight. But as far as defense goes, we just looked in the mirror. We had to have a better effort. I think we let everybody else down, and we all knew it. So, just kind of getting back to basics and, playing some tough defense too. So it was good. Everyone was playing a little mean and with a chip on their shoulder, so it was fun.
We need that win big time. 7-3 record or 8-3 record sounds not as good as 7-4. So when you got your defense on firing and you got your offense firing, I can't ask for much more to do than save the ball and help out my boys.
It really is about the team. You're not wrong that it really is the goals that you score is because of the team.
Always. If they don't do what they do, I can't do what I do. So, all the credits to them, and it's an amazing feeling.
We need another win next week, and that's the main focus. So everyone goes back to work, their personal lives, but at the same time, the work that it takes to succeed next weekend or 2 weekends from now. So that's the main focus, another win.
I decided to talk to my guy that painted my helmet this year, and he decided, you know what, I'm going to do your helmet this year. And so we decided to do the Hive logo, the Hives Cares logo, and the Minnesota logo with the Randy Shaver on the side. So anything we can get for this helmet would be great for the organization.
When you're playing like that, it's so much fun. And, when you got our goalie making big key saves, I told him right after the game that might have been the best game I've ever seen him play. He was unconscious. And, a team like us, we needed a game like that, and he gave it to us.